My name is Aryadev Khurana. I've been working at Karma Lakelands for the last 5 years now. Weddings at Karma are truly a unique experience. It is a destination, but yet it's so close to the city. We like to say it's a few miles away from the city center, but feels like a million miles away from the hustle and bustle of the city. A wedding at Karma is very unique because each event is in a different location, not a mundane ballroom always. Whether it's the poolside or the backyard of a villa overlooking a lake or a golf course, each event feels like a new destination altogether. We have multiple staying options at Karma Lakelands. A unique one would be our villas. They are 4 and 3 bedroom luxury expansive villas which are placed all around the golf course. Your entire family can stay in the villas, whether it's your in-laws or your cousins, all can be one big group inside a villa. And with your whole gang together, every minute becomes a celebration. We have a curated list of decorators and artists whose main agenda is to make the event of your dreams come true. Food is an integral part of any wedding in India. This is why we have a team of highly dedicated and professional chefs under the able guide of our executive chef. Our team ensures that all guests who dine with us at the weddings or the restaurants are left happy and well fed.